Uh, Good morning, YouTube in the Philippines, and hey, the rest of the world too. It is Monday morning, April 29th, 2024. Yeah, uh, I'm feeling better. I actually got some energy today. I got some rest. I feel like getting something done today. That's a good thing. Food poisoning is no fun. And somebody said something about, they don't have those kind of problems. He's never had that problem in the Philippines. Well, yeah, I shouldn't have had it here. I pulled a stupid. I bought meat out of the discount section. It's been a couple days old already, and then I left it in my refrigerator for another, well, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and I pulled it out Wednesday afternoon, so 3.5 days extra. Woohoo! Yeah. Self inflicted injury. It is what it is. Anyway, uh, I'm trying to. Well, I just got through doing my audit and such here at the hotel, and was looking at somebody was putting up a video from the Philippines about some new subdivision, and they're wanting $95,000 for like 200 square meters, less than 200 square meters, and it's like we're talking 5 million pesos, and I'm like, that's just for the land. People, seriously, it ain't worth that. Anybody that's throwing that kind of money at a piece of land that's that small is crazy and has no idea what money really is and how valuable things is. Yeah, you're trading funny little pieces of paper for land. I understand land's valuable, but not that valuable. You're just throwing money at stuff because you want to waste it and pretend you got security out of it. Uh, yeah. And well, you're pricing out the Filipinos out of their own country because of the stupidity of, well, I want to throw money at it. Yeah. I almost bought 19 acres for $12,000. Now, 19 acres, well, let's see. 2.5 acres equals a hectare, or just under 2.5 acres equals a hectare. So, what? 6, 5? I mean, seriously? 6 hectares would be 15, so yeah, 7, 8 hectares borderlining in that area, 9. Yet you're throwing this kind of money, $12,000 versus, oh yeah, $95,000 for 200, less than 200 square meters. Come on, folks, that's ridiculous. And yeah, I hope they can never sell it. I hope that when they get it built on there, that they get their money stuck over there and can't get anyone to give them $10,000 for the whole place with a house on it. Yeah, start letting some folks have nightmares about that. That's what needs to happen. Instead of throwing money at everything, go out and live, but don't waste your money. Don't drown people in cash just to make you feel good. Because, oh, you're throwing money around. I'm a big shit. Yeah, you're stupid. Go be stupid. You know, I hope it costs you dearly. Because I like Stupid Street to be painful to people when they dance in the middle of Stupid Street. Stupid tax hurts, and I hope it cripples your wallet. Educations are painful. I know. I've done my share of educations. Everybody got a right to be a knucklehead. The question is how much pain do you suffer before you wake up and start learning? I was pretty much a knucklehead. I know about this stuff. That's why you don't see me out there dancing in the middle of the street. Because I have no wants to be a bumper bait. Yeah. And hey, I'm mean. I root for the bumpers. That's why I don't get in the middle of the road. But hey, anyway, saw that and just sorry for a bit of venting. Yeah. It is what it is. Anyway, I am feeling more energetic. My water has held so far. We'll see if it's still good in the morning. I left it actually powered up and going. I haven't found any leaks, and I listened to it for over 30 minutes and didn't hear it go ka-tunk-tunk. So it's apparently not bleeding down and having to fill itself back up at least not inside 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm trying to get that. So yay. I feel good about that. And I ran out of Kool-Aid juice just now, so I gotta get me some more. I'm going to the store in the morning when I get done. Pick those up. Because I'm out at the house too. It's coming up on the beginning of the month, and that's part of my buy it for the month kind of thing. Yeah. Boy. But yes, the food there in the Philippines, with it being fresh butchered most, day two at the most before it's sold and gone, and if somebody's eating it, that's a good thing. I don't so much worry about, fresh kill when it comes down to meat. Never been bashful about it. I've eaten a lot of food, right after killing it. Bambi cow, pig, lambs, rabbits, quail, chickens, ducks, geese. Yeah, I've eaten a lot of different things and not been bashful about it. And this isn't even a whole list. Some people don't like all my list, and I get weirded out of some of the things. I have eaten kangaroo and crocodile too. Many moons ago. Alligator, turtle. But and horse. So it is what it is. It's meat. It's edible. But it's a lot better when it's fresh. And I can tell you, there won't be how should we say? There won't be any discount meat section chicken anytime soon. I think I'll be buying my chicken fresh, or at least still in, or fresh out of the refrigerator freezer. Yeah, I don't want to go through that again. Basically, I feel like I wasted most of a week because of being sick. So let's not do that again, right? Anyway, saw a few other videos. Chewbacca over on Isla Familia or something like that. Uh, yeah, she's big and pregnant, and oh, is it showing. Uh, yeah, I hope they have a smooth birth there. Because I don't see how that little gal's going to put something that big out. But yes, uh, I can't wait to get over there and start, fishing and swimming. And seeing them going scuba diving. It's like I actually was digging around getting my propane tanks out for the girl that I sold them to yesterday. Well, when I was digging around to get them, I saw a scuba tank in my garage. Technically, I'm not licensed, but yeah, I don't so much. How should we say? I don't so much agree with the idea of having to have somebody give me a license to do something I'm capable of doing without their funny little piece of paper. I disagree with people thinking they can tell you what to do. Hey, God's greatest gift to mankind is choice. The nightmare of choice is the consequences that come with it. So, if I don't want to go get a license and I go out there and I do something wrong and I die, well, consequences to choices. I'm willing to go and enjoy life and not worry about the consequences in that area. I don't really care what other people think in that area. I pay attention and I do what I know how to do and do it the best I can. I'm not pretending to be a great scuba diver. I'm not. Would I be willing to take a couple courses, crash course again for how to do scuba gear again? Yep. And guess what? Last time I went scuba diving was many years ago, and we're talking pretty near 40 years ago. And yeah, I had people around me that knew what they were doing and were keeping an eye on me. And they showed me how to do everything. And yes, they were certified. Had real good qualifications. But yeah, I know how to make it work and I know how to do it basically. I'm not trying to go out and, I don't know. That is something I do want to try to do when I get over there eventually, is try to go scuba diving. Thing is that I don't really like the idea of having to have a license to do it, but being that I would be in somebody else's country and it's their rules, hey, I don't go into somebody else's house and crap in the living room. I don't want people coming into my living room and crapping in the living room. So, yeah. Will I try to get a license? Maybe? I don't know what the true situation over there is as to having to have it, period, kind of thing. We'll see. But yeah, as a foreigner retiree, do I have to have a fishing license to go fishing? I mean, I've done a lot of fishing without a license. Haven't done much here lately because, oh yeah, I'm way up here in high plains. Oh yeah, desert. There's not a lot of good fishing here. But hey, I was at Ollie's and I saw a 10-foot surf rig, and I'm trying to figure out how to get that thing into my suitcase. Yeah. 10 foot broke in half is 5 foot, and 5 foot is not going to fit in a normal suitcase. And I'm contemplating how to get a surf rod to the Philippines. But then I'm like, how much is a surf rod over there? So now I'm like wanting to go find out. And I'm going to have to, I guess it's Lazada. I guess go try and pull up Lazada and see if I can find out how much a 10-foot surf rig or 12-foot surf rig costs. Whatever, with a reel on it. And see if it's going to even be worth me bringing what I already have with me. I don't know. Can I fit what my... Because I got some just regular fishing gear for, ponds and lakes and, such. I've even got one surf rod, but like I said, it's 10 foot. I already know it's not going to fit because, I laid it across my suitcase. And here I am looking at another 10-foot surf rod. My insanities are running rampant. I didn't bring any home. I already have, and I'm not going to try to go there. But anyway, I need to find out how much that cost, and, do I have to have a fishing license to go fishing? And is it one fishing license for the whole Philippines, or do I have to have one on every island I go to? And where do you get a license for an island that's unoccupied? I don't know. Stuff to learn. Hey, we don't stop living and growing until we stop learning. And, step up, jump out there and live. Have fun with it. Too many people are just curled up, dead. They got a heartbeat. They're dead. They just ain't. They're not stepping up and living. I know that too well because, I was on Stupid Street for quite a while. And, excuse me, hiccup. I finally woke up, realized the mess I was, and started putting myself back together and living again. And now, 13 months away, and getting closer to 12. So now I'm at 13, 14, heading into 12, 13. I just can't wait. I saw one of those I found a round trip ticket on one of the web pages, and it was like for $6.50 round trip. And when I checked again, the one-way ticket was like $7.50. And I tried to go back and find the round trip, and it was now back up over 13. Yeah. Part of me wishes I'd have booked it right then and then just suffered the consequences of, crippling my finances. But, I'd be on the way to the Philippines. But knowing that I don't have my passport yet, I still got about 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 5 weeks for that. I'm definitely ready to get over there. Anyway, if anybody has any ideas about how much a decent surf rod and reel rig costs over there, please let me know. I am definitely wanting to, I'm wanting to try to figure it out, and I need to not be spending extra money over here if I can get it definitely cheaper over there. And I'm pretty sure I can, but I already have it over here. It's the shipping costs. I'm going to look into that here too. Anyway, William from Williams, Philippines. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day, night, or whatever it is, wherever you are, whenever you are. Later blessings, bye-bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.